Good morning class. Let us complete our exercise 5b of exponents today finally. So let's start question number 4, simplify part 5. Now, first of all, turn all these negative powers into positive. A3 is positive. A minus 7i brought down to its turn to positive. Then here B5 went up and B7 came down. Here C5 is already positive. Here I have taken C3 also. D4 is already positive and D8 is already positive. Now all the powers have turned to positive. Now apply the product law, quotient law. Base is same. So A3 plus 7 here. 7 minus 5 here. C5 plus 3 here. D8 minus 4. So C8, A10, B2 and D4. This question I have also done in my previous video, but here I have done by this method. Okay. Now let's start question number 5. Now first of all, again turn the powers into positive. It also can be done by two methods. I'll explain you both. First I have turned here only them into positive. Now removing this divide sign and putting a multiply sign, we will reciprocal it. Okay. Now 4 into 4, 3 into 3 upon 6 into 6. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 twos are 4. So answer is 4. Now let's do it by one more method. Now let's see 6 to the power minus 2 divided by 4 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power minus 2. Let's turn all the powers into positive. 4 will go up, 3 will go up and 6 will come down. Now you can break it. 4 into 4, 3 into 3 and 6 into 6. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and 2 twos are 4. The answer is 4. Got it, children? Now let's do one more part. Here 5 upon 6 to the power 2 into 9 by 4. This whole bracket divided by this whole bracket. So first of all I am going to separate these two, solve these two brackets. Okay. So when this bracket is removed, power is on both the numbers. Similarly here minus minus plus and 3 square and 2 square. Now 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. Okay, now 9 ones are 9, 9 4s are 36, 25 upon 4 4s are 16, and here 9 upon 4 into 125 upon 216. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21 and 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 12. So 25 upon 16 divided by 125 upon 4 4 16, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8, 1 9. 25 upon 16 divided by, but I'll remove the sign now, children. Sorry, I'll remove the sign and put a multiply and get it reciprocal. Okay. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, and 16 ones are 16, and 16 6 are 96. So the answer is 6 upon 5. Now children, these questions are very easy, and they teach you that anything is not tough and you can easily simplify them. Understood? Now one more question I will do for you. 5 to the power n into 25 to the power n minus 1 divided by 5 to the power n minus 1 into 25 to the power n minus 1. Now it seems to be so tough. 5, 25, n minus 1 like this. But let me tell you, this is very easy question. 5 to the power n, 25 to the power n minus 1. Now this is divide sign. So this whole bracket will come down in division. Now can you see 25 to the power n minus 1, 25 to the power n minus 1 get cancelled. And this is 5 to the power n and 5 to the power n minus 1. Mean whatever is n, this in denominator is 1 less than that. So this is smaller, so it will go up. n minus 1. Okay. So we'll get 5 n minus n plus 1. This n cancels this n, so 5 to the power 1, it means answer is 5. Now this finishes our exercise today. Finally, this chapter is over. In these Diwali holidays, you just complete this chapter. Okay class, have a nice day.